Try to hide the pain like there ain't no better way. But in the end, we gon' realize it's yeah. And I'ma keep on trying, I ain't giving in. You can keep on lying, I ain't listening. And when we touch, I feel that rush when we fucking in. But if we beefin', know it's goons that you fucking with. I see some shit I probably shouldn't, but my mouth shut. And them some suckers he was fucking with, we cut his rope. I pray to God my flow is venom with the shit I wrote. We smoking doji, whipping the Benz with the windows closed. Cruising thinking, damn, when they letting Kyle free. You been locked up for a minute, man, we miss you, G. And life's a roller coaster, just keep it coasting. You ain't gotta fold, bro, just keep it going. And he ain't got this one hole, nah, he be rolling. Been through hell and I ain't back the way that things be going. You know we still be in them streets, you can see me rolling. You feel that breeze up on your skin, that cold wind's blowing. That cold wind's blowing. You feel that breeze up on your skin, that cold wind's blowing. That cold wind's blowing. You feel that breeze up on your skin, that cold wind's blowing. Rest in peace to DZ, watching from the heavens, G. And I've been thinking how these demons get up into me. We pour that lean up by the pint, drain that energy. We pour that lean up by the pint, drain that energy. And try to hide the pain like there ain't no better way. But in the end, we gon' realize we still feel the same. But fuck it, we ain't gon' change, we gon' stay the same. Until the Reaper come and get me, I'ma do my thing. I did my wrong, my hands too dirty, forgot to forgive. I'll catch you lacking at that light like black, let it rip. Ain't been a corner, forget about it, don't mention shit. And I ain't worried about the fame, I want other things. Think about them nights, I ain't had shit. Now I got a fat sack of that weed and my money big. And I'm finna pour an eighth of the lean, I gotta sit. And that booty looking nicer than shit, I gotta hit. Take a break, Aquafina sipping. Back up in the bitch, you ever wake up in the cell and can't remember what you did. I'm breaking, switches getting blunted with the motherfucking kids. And my PO getting pissed, you ain't dirty as shit, homie. And riding dirty, yeah, you know I got that thing on me. I ain't no motherfucking thing to keep that thing on me. Grew up quick and shit got a range, homie. Don't risk your life and get the fuck up out my way, brody.
Hi, this is for Cannon. This is Deputy Reddy with the Thurston County Sheriff's Office. Calling in regards to some of these things that's been going on between you and Abraham. So you can give me a call back at 704-2740. That'd be appreciated. Thank you.